How's it going, guys? I'm a little surprised, well, it's not really a surprise, but my mom is pet sitting a bird, parrot. It's really cute. Is Frankie a pretty bird? Frankie, are you a pretty bird? Yeah, yeah. See, he agrees with me. But he's awesome. He's an amazing bird. And, he sometimes likes to sit on my head like that, and then he'll just sit there. Like a dominator. I've dominated everything. Now. But yeah, his name is Frankie, and he's like so cute. So snuggly, so snuggly, so snuggly. So yeah, and I'm also going to make a. I also made like a mini New Year's resolution. If you look on my channel page, which like right up there, it's like right there, something like that. Or no, now it's down there. Now it's down there. I think. I don't remember. Now it's down there. But if you want to see it, I have like a little layout or like a new like background that shows all the things that I'm gonna have you guys looking forward to for the week. My mini schedule. And yeah. So Frankie bids you farewell. Say bye, Frankie. Is Frankie a pretty bird? Frankie, are you a pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird? Yeah. Well, peace out. I'll see you later.